question number 66. Maximum solubility of AgCl is in pure water, 0.1 molar aqueous NaCl, 0.2 molar aqueous CaCl2, 0.2 molar NH4OH. Student, in this case, the correct answer is option number 4. The solubility of AgCl is maximum in 0.2 molar NH4OH since Ag ion forms a complex with ammonia, which is AgNH3 whole twice plus. Because of this complex formation, the solubility of AgCl is maximum in aqueous ammonia, that is 0.2 molar NH4OH. So the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to the next question, students, which is question number 67. pH is less than 7 for which aqueous solution? Number 1, zero point 0.1 molar NaCl, 0.1 molar sodium acetate, 0.1 molar ammonium chloride, and 0.1 molar NaOH. Student, first of all, for this question, we need to understand that for a salt of strong acid and weak base, the pH will be less than 7. So here, the salt of strong acid and weak base is option number 3, that is ammonium chloride. In rest of the cases, the pH will be either 7 or more than 7. So the correct answer is option number 3. And the reason for this is cationic hydrolysis. Moving to the next question, which is question number 68. Let's read it. The degree of hydrolysis for a 0.01 molar solution of Na is, we are given with the Ka of Ha, which is 2.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. So student, for this question, first of all, we need to calculate the hydrolysis constant, that is Kh, which is equals to Kw upon Ka. The value of Kw we know, 10 raised to the power minus 14, and the value of K is given, which is 2.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 5, which is equals to 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 10. Now let's calculate degree of hydrolysis. So degree of hydrolysis is equals to under root of Kh upon concentration, which is equals to under root of 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 10 upon concentration, which is 0.01. I have solved this question. This is equals to 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. That means the correct answer is option number 3. Student, again I'm telling you, please avoid using calculator. Try to solve these questions by your hand as much as possible. Try avoiding calculators. Then only you will be able to attempt such questions faster in your NEET exam. Moving to the next question. Question number 69. If pKa of an acid is 4, then value of pKb of its conjugate base is. Student, this is one of the easiest question and a very important question as well. Here we know that for conjugate acid base pair, pKa plus pKb is equals to 14. That means we are here given with pKa. So we have to calculate pKb. So pKb is equals to 14 minus pKa. That means 14 minus 4, which is equals to 10. That means the correct answer is option number 3. Moving to next question, which is question number 70. Let's read it. The solubility of AgCl in 0.1 molar aqueous NaCl solution is. The Ksp of AgCl is 1.8 into 10 raised to the power minus 10. Student, we know that AgCl dissociates to give Ag plus ion and chloride ion. If the solubility of AgCl, let's say this is S, so this will be S plus 0.1. This 0.1 comes from NaCl. NaCl dissociates to give Na plus and Cl minus ion. So here the concentration of Cl minus ion will be 0.1. So in total the concentration of Cl minus ion is S plus 0.1. And we have to calculate the solubility. Student, also the value of s plus 0.1 is approximately equals to 0.1, since the value of s is very small in comparison to 0.1. Now students, further KSP is equals to concentration of Ag plus multiplied by concentration of Cl minus. The value of KSP is given, that is 1.8 into 10 raised to the power minus 10, which is equals to S multiplied by 0.1. Now we can calculate S, which is equals to 1.8 into 10 raised to the power minus 10 upon zero point 0.1, which is equals to 1.8 into 10 raised to the power minus 9. That means the correct answer is option number 4. So answer is option number 4. Moving to the next question.